Cabin crew, please take your seats to take off.
Welcome to our channel.
He's Fernando.
And that's my release. Right. Welcome back to our channels. Channels. However you like to put it. Let me see how's it looking. Well, that's full screen. Well, let's see. Let's see how far we can get with this. Right. This is the Spot Welder. Friday will be 2 weeks that arrived. I've just been busy with other videos, other projects, and contrary to what some people might think, that I've got nothing else to do. I'm busy with a whole bunch of other projects. There you go. There you go. Let's see what we can show. Right. There's hi, how's it? Hi, welcome. Let's see. This is doing a pretty good job so far. There you go. Oh, another one. I actually ordered 2 things, and however, look like only one arrived. Okay, oh, so the thing gets smaller and smaller. Let's knock it all the way. Let's see how this goes. Right. That's what I ordered. Spot Welder. There's different models. Yes, there was different models. I forgot which model I chose and why I chose it. I'll have to go and watch some videos and see. There was something that somebody opened it up. I hope you guys understand what's saying there, because it's very important what it says there. Oh, and it's explained properly over there. So I hope you guys have a good understanding. So hope you can see it. Yes. You understand what I'm saying? I agree with that, huh? I hope you guys all agree with that as well. Right. Let's put it out gently. The wife is going to kill me. I'm chucking everything on the floor. I'll have to pick it up. I'll pick it up. There's no worry about that. So, that came inside the box. Some spot welding pins. Comes with 2 sets, some fuses, Allen key. That's what it comes with. Don't know. I think I saw. Oh, this is to line the batteries, but I've got the holders. I've got the holders for the. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. That's it. So it's actually quite small. It's not as big as the box was. Monstrosity of a box. Oh well, it was well packed. That's what I say. It was well packed. There's a little handle. Oh, I got the shower closing. The wife will be on the way. I'm going to have to clean up quickly. Okay, this is quite nice. Looks very nice. So the Allen keys for this. No, I'm not going to zoom in. Maybe that one can see it better. I'm not sure. No, it won't. But in any case, that's what it is. You guys can go watch it on a big screen. Okay, fuses. They put the fuse back in here. Let's have a look here. Oh, now you can't see. Okay, so I want to see. So it's got a little spring loaded. I saw somebody who had to open it. And then the little probes, not little probes, little whatever, the little contacts. They're going to, oh, they touch on there. You've got a little stopper. So there's one. If you guys can see that, I'll try to bring it close to the camera. Okay, it looks Oh, you have to align them. Interesting. Wait till I get it right. They've got different springs. Okay. So the length doesn't really matter. It's more the alignment. Okay, let me. The other one isn't so easy. Let's just put it straight. Right. That don't come through. So the one's got to stop, the one doesn't. Okay, so we can align them. I'm probably going to put some heat shrink along the probes just to make sure they don't touch. If I do that, I'll show you guys. I'll add it to the video. Okay, let me turn this way so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, that looks straight. Okay, that looks nice. Let me bring up the camera. That's what I've been fitting on there. So it looks a little bit more skew, but whatever. It's a matter of lining it up. So that's what I've been fitting on there. So to make this a proper unboxing, let's open up all the little things. So that plastic bag is empty. Just in regular little control. Hope you guys like all my little knives, like a little, what do you call it, blade? A little blade knife. That one you guys have seen before. The tiny little one. I've got a bigger one. I just think I bought it because it looked nice. Suppose that's our collection starter. That's our collection start. Okay. There you go, close that up. This one's been around for quite a while, so it actually needs a little bit of sharpening. Let's see what comes out of here. Let's see what comes out of here. Okay, a little switch pedal. Okay, so this will plug in. Rolling, calibrator, probably here. Let me see. Yeah, looks like it fits in there. So it looks like it fits in there. So that will have to be on the foot. Oh, there's low plastic at the bottom here still, which I'll remove. So that's that. Allen keys I've got plenty, so it's nicely wrapped. I must say it is nicely wrapped. Oh, look at this. This is quite neat. The way they protect everything. So it comes with little pins, sort of a little protective plastic on it. So comes with that on. No, we're not going to plug it in. Hopefully tonight still. Let's just see what comes out of here. Oh, some strips. Although I've got some. 0.1. I think the same ones are what I've got. So that's what it says. With the light you probably can't see it. Let's probably see it there. Okay, well, let's keep it there for a little bit longer. That's what it says. And oh, there's more. Yeehaw. Wow. This is 0.15 thick, so there's a little bit of a difference. The ones I've got, I think they were ordered last time was I think also 0.1 thick. So that's that. So I've got both. Maybe that was the problem last time when I thought I owned Spot Welding at work. And then it comes that to put the batteries in place. Although I've got the holders, so I don't know how much use I'm going to get for this, but that's fine. That's fine. One never knows what one can need. And so that's a little knife. It's quite nice to keep in your pocket when you need to cut little things such as this. Okay. So that's that. Got your controls on top. Maybe I'll plug it in. Okay, so that's out of there. Actually, you know, I might as well plug it in. Oops, I'll move the whole thing over. So you guys can see that? That's the Flying Nando K-Fix Nando YouTube channels. This is the third channel I've got. We might as well plug it in. I don't have any batteries ready to be spot welded yet, but in any case, we might as well plug it in. Yes guys, these tops will be available for sale one of these days, probably end of February. And I've got space. Welding pressure adjust. Oh, that's actually that pressure. Oh, that's softer. Right. Even though I've bought quality of these things, I'm still having issues. So, some of you might crack. I could not be held up. Oh, by the way, look at that screwdriver. There's no screwdriver. I don't even know what you call it. Maybe if I find out, I'll put it on the titles. But I've had issues with other adapters before, and extensions. I've had issues with extension leads. So, like these, the different ones, where the plug wouldn't go in. So, let me see, so we'll be removing that. Let me do it here in front of the camera. Be removing that. I can't be held ransom by bullshit. Now I can't use my spot welder. Either the pins are slightly thicker or don't know what the hell's going on. There's that. And right. Now the green. Will it? You must see. It's in the holes there. So where's the hold up? Oh. So the hold up wasn't there. The hold up is these things here. Wow. Wow. Okay, we'll put it back. We'll put it back. So I'll put that little thing back. So it's worked on all my other stuff. I've got big angle grinders, small angle grinders that all use that, and I don't have a problem. So I don't know why. Okay, right. Let's see here. Okay, so that goes in there now. Okay, so let's undo what we did. Shows you, pay attention. Focus. Right across like that. No, it doesn't. Must go like that. Yes, must go like that. Okay. Like that. Put it back. Tighten the little screws up again. You got to be careful not to strip the plastic. That's why I'm only using 2 fingers. I'm trying to be sensitive. Right, let's put it back in there then. I don't know why. This is supposed to have an earth connection. Now these ones don't have an earth connection. Okay. There you go. And there you go. Right, power on. Okay, let's see if you guys can see that. Right. That's one. Looks quite neat. 2P. That's your pulse. That's your current. 40 amps. I think it's 40 amps. It's got a little light over there. That's very nice. Let me see. I don't want to grab a piece of metal here somewhere. Just do a. I don't have anything over here. But I'll do that later on, and you guys will see more than enough times as I build the packs. So in any case, guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. To all those who still think soldering is okay, it's not okay. Our previous video shows it. We experienced, doesn't matter what we experienced in, we have enough experience in soldering. We've repaired enough boards and other items where soldering has been involved, so we know what we're doing. But it shouldn't do anything now. Oh, it does. Okay, in any case. Okay guys, super. Thanks very much for watching. And get yourself a spot welder. This looks very nice. I'll do a video the first time I use it, so we can all see together how effective it is. But it looks nice. It looks quite nice. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys. Bye.